Hi guys, just dropping by to share that keeping our skin well hydrated and moisturized is very essential because dehydrated skin not only makes our skin look dull, but it can also lead to premature skin aging such as hyperpigmentation, sagging, or wrinkling. Kaya I started incorporating this body treats and flower oil sa lotions ko kasi napansin ko bago pa man matapos ang araw, parang nag-evaporate na yung mga body moisturizers na in-apply ko kasi nga ang dry na ng balat ko. Oils helps retain or locks in the moisture in our skin, especially itong sunflower oil because it has linoleic acid that maintains the protective barrier of our skin. At itong barrier na to prevents moisture evaporation. Actually, at first, I was really hesitant to add oils sa lotions ko kasi nga I had this impression that oils are greasy and heavy on our skin. However, I know it in my heart that I really need a product that can always keep the moisture and hydration in my skin kasi nga, this is one way to slow down my skin aging process. Plus, this is also a way to have a radiant and glowing skin. So, ayun ang ending. I gave it a try and I'm really glad I did because this effectively keeps my skin plumpy, smooth, and luminous all day. Nagmimix lang ako ng 2 to 3 drops nito sa lotions ko before kong i-apply on one area of my skin. And I was really surprised that it's not greasy at all. Hindi siya malagkit nor heavy sa skin. Actually, parang mas nagiging refreshing pa nga yung feel ng lotion kasi after kong i-apply, once absorb, parang ang lamig ng balat ko. I also noticed na mas nagiging spreadable and absorbent yung lotion kasi 'di ba oils penetrate deeply into our skin. So parang sumasama yung lotion na mag-penetrate deep into our skin. Saka nung unang sinubukan ko kasi to, nilagay ko siya after kong mag-lotion. So nung nire-rub ko na siya sa skin ko, parang may white residue ng lotion na natatanggal. So naisip ko na hindi agad na absorb ng lotion ng skin natin yung lahat ng lotion na in-apply natin kasi nga some of the lotions are just sitting on top layer of our skin. So by the time na bago pa man ma-absorb fully ng skin natin yung lotion, nag-evaporate na yung lotion. So I think this is really a good booster sa lotions natin because this help the lotion to deeply penetrate into our skin and locks it in there. It gives an ample amount of time for our skin to fully absorb the lotion. So mas na-maximize niya yung lahat ng ingredients, lahat ng nourishment na meron yung lotion na yun. Kaya mas nagiging effective yung lotion. Saka guys, very sustainable lang naman to kasi nga 2 to 3 drops lang yung ina-apply ko for each, minimix ko sa lotion for each area of my skin. Kaya super tipid lang talaga niya. Saka nilalagay ko siya into a smaller container like this para hindi siya natatapon pag naglalagay ako sa lotion and to ensure na 2 to 3 small drops lang yung nade-dispense na product. So ay lang naman guys, sinishare ko lang kasi nga nagustuhan ko rin talaga to because it has the 3 characteristics that I like about skincare products. Ayun yung effective siya, non-sticky, and very lightweight lang siya. Kaya guys, itry nyo na rin. Take the yellow box so we can all enjoy aging gracefully. Ayun lang. Thanks. Bye!